0-0.
Fijian Drua!
Guess the score, sir.
Well, get the score.
Yeah.
6-7.
16-14. 12-7.
Red.
Obviously, in favor of the Reds. Sorry, what?
14 red.
14 Reds.
Red. 43. Drua 27.
Oh, okay.
Score mate. 32.
36, 32 Reds.
0-0.
Fijian Drua!
Moment we've all been waiting for. Undefeated against this team at this round. For the last time in silver for the season, make some noise for your Swedish shipping, Fijian Drua!
Goes to the back, finds the target, down to Armstrong-Ravula, and Nonga hitting it up in midfield. Now they'll come back through Wonga. Good to see him back from his recent injury. Armstrong-Ravula, Marcy, Longa, oops! Joe says he just manages to hold on. Expect plenty of carries from Ilya Dalakabata. Good clean out by the Drua. Armstrong-Ravula, Salawa. Getting through. Salawa! Oh, and then loses it 1 metre out from the line. But he might have been trying to release the ball so he can pick it up and go again.
What about the footwork on Salawa? He's done all the hard work, being able to get his head and shoulders through that contact.
They might have seen something, might have tripped him here.
We're just having a look at trip to Suliasi Vunivalu.
Jeremy's here picked up a possible trip by the Reds player.
Was Vunivalu the last defender? Would he have scored without the trip?
Yeah, mate. So my view is that a probable try would have been scored but for the actions of 14. Does anyone have anything to add to that?
Nothing more to add.
14. 14.
Yellow card to the Reds.
And a penalty try.
Penalty try. Automatic 7. What a start. Drua in front of their passionate home fans again. The wingers looking to get involved. There's a little kick through. And forced nicely for Ikanivere. 6 or 7 metres out. Can they get it out wide? They don't have to because they're going to go the direct route. And over goes to Vida Ikanivere. Second try already to the Fijian Drua. Oh, too big and too strong. I think there was a bit of footwork in there as well.
There definitely was. All these forwards are just showing their absolute skill.
And Hughes.
McDermott goes to the air. Momo closes it backwards, and it's been cleaned up. Good work by the Reds. So now out to Hosami. Eyes up, and you can see that there was an opportunity, some space out the back. And it didn't really work out. The clearance wasn't a good one from the Drua, so now here's an opportunity for the Reds to hit back. Mongol. The arm goes out. Advantage there for the Reds. Right with a rumble. Rabbi. Drua. They went hard at Penny Ravine to try and get his signature, but he decided to go to the Reds instead. Now the kick across, and Aubrey is in the corner. Oh, perfect kick. And Floyd Aubrey, his first start in the famous Queensland Reds jersey, and he's in for it. From out wide, and this one looking good. It is over. So a nice hit back with a man in the bin by the Reds, and it all out of their own red zone by the Drua.
He did what a finish there, Aubrey. Outstanding work to hold his width on the wing, eyes on the ball, dives in the corner, and a much needed hit.
Play to start your first start in the Queensland jersey. But then the attacking team gives away the penalty. Holding on is a call. John Bright, the new number 8. Took that pointed straight away to the sticks. Attack and kicking coach running out with the tee, the kicking tee for Armstrong-Ravula. A little bit of here. Ball again.
He's having a wow of a game so far. You just see the body position that he is in to be able to make that jackal. Nice wide base. Holding his weight, getting under that ball. He's playing outstanding in this first half so far.
Armstrong-Ravula just to the right of the sticks. And it's over. One other. It's a good take from Smith. The crowd love that. They love a collision. McDermott can't get away from Wonga.
Not on the ball. Leaders, advantage.
Advantage now.
Not on the ball. Slowing it down.
Slowing down the call, and so Robbo goes to ground. McDermott and Campbell, Isami, Creighton, and here's Vunivalu up to the 22. Brett's putting it through the hands. Now it's Wright giving it to Bryant. Creighton throws and goes. Stepping. Oh, brilliant try. Individual magic there from Lawson Creighton. Right under the black dot. 15-12 kick to come.
It's a little bit slow. Hips are facing towards the sideline. And we just saw Thanakavata just create that little seam for Lawson Creighton to go straight through and straight under the post.
I've been really impressed with Lawson Creighton, the way he plays his game and he's direct.
There's no top down here.
Plenty of talk going on in the huddle. Looking around the grounds for a game clock.
Try and get eyes on the clock.
It's time McDermott for the Reds. Kicking. Armstrong-Ravula getting back there. The draw Sessi. Armstrong-Ravula. Short ball.
Advantage.
Advantage is being
No
played
clear release.
here as
Slowing it down.
it's charged down.
Still playing advantage.
Bravo Talmunda and Marcy. Nothing happening there, so it's a penalty. Valentini moves in. He's got the distance. What's the angle like? It's gone. It's over. Very timely indeed. Will that be crucial in the end? The crowd applauding it.
Awesome, mate. Go on the second half.
Outside.
Cheers.
And again it falls for the Drua. And John Ravula, Salawa, Valentini, Marcy, Sessi up from fullback. Ikanivere takes a direct route again. For a volley inside ball. Ravu Talmunda stepping. Can he go on his own? Can he do it himself? He's pulled out about 1 metre out. They look to go left and the advantage goes out. Slowing the ball down. The Queensland Reds. Here's Ikanivere. Has he got another? The hand goes up and it is a try. He's got a double. And they can put that one down. It's Celestino Ravu.
Yeah, so the try being scored in the fourth try from this restart player. Yeah, okay, but it's going to be a yellow card against 14. That's correct, yeah.
Suliasi Vunivalu, the man from Silva, second yellow, which becomes red.
You're front 5 metres, but they haven't been able to get over the line.
But the Reds are not going away. So again, Blake has it at the back and they start to rumble. This time they're staying away from the sideline and stop once. Still going. Blake. There's a try. A try to the Queensland Reds. It had to come eventually. And it is George Blake, the replacement hooker, that gets it.
That's great patience from George Blake. He's learned from the last more. Just work your way forward. Let the big man up front.
He had to take it quickly. And it's away. So that's unfortunate for the youngster. The ball falling off the tee for the Reds, and Robert Jamunda does well to stay in the field of play. Another advantage coming up here. Kenny having a run. Suliasi delivers to Armstrong-Ravula. Short ball. Marcy has gone without it, but it's going to come back. Armstrong-Ravula. This one is heading towards the post. It's over. The game is over.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the second time against this team at this game, down go the Reds! Ladies and gentlemen, for the second time against this team at this game!
What's up, brother? Come on, you got this. Everything.
Congratulations, Coach. Congratulations on the win today. How does it feel, having your hopes of the playoff still alive?
I think that's what it's all about, isn't it? We wanted to start well, and full credit to the players when they came out today. They were just going fast. What we wanted to do, play fast, get across the game line, and ask lots of questions early in the game. But yes, it's very pleasing that we won, which keeps us in 8th and keeps the finals there. But the most pleasing thing was the way we did it, and the way the boys were at the start of the game. And I think that was probably the most pleasing thing today.
Last week against the force, one of the areas that our downfall was on defense. This week we saw an improvement on that one. Was the team working on the defense this week or this week?
No, we work on it every week. I think last week there was a little bit more to it than just defence. Defence starts with attitude. We talked already addressed last week. I thought this week the boys came out there, and especially in the middle of that second half, we showed what we can do when we get the mindset right around our defence. And kept getting off the line and making good tackles, led by the skipper. And we've got probably 2 or 3 forced turnovers, which is really good. And I think that's credit to the attitude of the players around the defensive aspects of the game.
Talking about the attitude of the players on the field, Captain scoring 2 tries today. What was the atmosphere like with the players on the field?
I think really happy to do it. Everyone did their job. Players, the management, support staff, everyone did their job. And the fans turned out today and cemented themselves what we did it for. And that we still need and we still have hope. We can face and we work on it today. And that's what we saw that.
So you had a bit of improvement with the 3 times in the game today. Were you happy with some of the decisions?
That actually was not the game. It's scored and we go at ourselves and we'll go back to the for run on it. From the last scrums and our setups and get that next week.
So Coach, what are some of your key takeaways from this game?
I think the way we start, coming out at the start of the game and getting into it, gets us going. I think also when the Reds came after us and asked a lot of questions, our defence stood up. So it's a real mindset and attitude. So my biggest takeaway today is the positive response we had from last week. We asked them on Monday morning. We sat down and we had a real good, honest conversation and chat around where we are and what we need to do. And they responded as they do, honest and open way.
Tevita getting 2 tries in this match, what does it mean for you?
It's a team stress. We worked well, kept the ball, built the phases, and I was just there at the right time. It was good, so good effort from the team.
Good. Yeah, look, he's a young kid. Shouldn't call him a kid, young man. He runs hard. He got pretty decent whack today, and so we'll see a lot more of him, whether it's this year or the years to come. We'll see a lot more of him. He's a good young player.
Big, does he remind you of Kala?
A little bit. He runs hard. He's got his own set of skill sets when you see him go. And it's, as I said, he's only a young player, and it was great for him to get his start today. And he has a good pre-season and keeps working on his game. We'll see a lot of him over the next few years.
Become interested in how these next 2 weekends will play out. You have a 6 points cushion now with the force in 9.
But they're going to play tonight, so we'll see how that finishes up.
And the 2 behind the Highlanders, who you want to play next week?
Yep, that's the one. I mean, winning today puts us in touch with the Highlanders. Get a chance to leapfrog them next week. So, and then things go according to the way we could see. If we do that, then we've got the Rebels the following week. So, as I said 4 weeks ago, this competition, the destiny is our hands, and it's a great place to be. I trust the players. I saw today when we arrived here today, you can see in their eyes that they know what's at stake, and they came out and did what they had to do. So we'll enjoy tonight, and we'll get around each other, and we'll recover well tomorrow. We'll come in Monday, and we'll start again for our last road trip. And it's a great chance for us to get our away win that we've been chasing hard, and we'll do everything we can this week to get it.
What is one thing that you're looking to improve to get that away win, the win that you have been looking for since before?
I think we played well today. We've just got to have that mindset that we had today. We did enough today. Line-out defence was great. We scrummed well. We carried well. D at times today was as good as we've done it during the year. So we just need to have that mindset at the start of the game, come out and go after the game like we did today.
It's a bit of frustration for the referee and the scrums. Is that an easy fix?
It's an easy fix. It's playing around with the body, so we have to work on ourselves. Just go more on the bite, not leaving. But sometimes they'll leave, sometimes they will not. But we have to control that, we can control ourselves, and we'll go back to the report and fix that for next week.
Do any different road trip?
No, we've got an 8-day turnaround. It's a game on Sunday, so what we will do is we'll get a full week of training in, which will be good, and we'll have a travel day off. In the past we've been travelling and do a captain's run. This week we'll have a full week of training, we'll get all our work done that we normally do, and then we'll use Friday as a travel day, and then we'll get into and then we'll use Saturday as our captain's run day. So yeah, it'll be a little bit different. Probably work well for us to have a full training week and a travel day and a breather that night. In the past when we've travelled 2 days before a game, we've missed our 3rd training session for the week. So this gives us a great opportunity to get all our full training and a travel day. So we're really looking forward to being there on Saturday, waking up, doing our captain's run fresh, and going out on Sunday and starting on a good time. Yeah, everybody's that was provided. Everyone played today is pulled up well, so we'll love that. We'll have a look at that recovery tomorrow and on Monday, and then we come out and do our clarities and our medicals and our work on Monday. We'll have a better understanding about where everyone's at. But pretty happy to see that everyone
your message to the fans and people?
We're going to be support naman nila sa Manila. Tentang kita malam itu kita menonton pada jemur tentang ada pembicaraan ini
Sir, that was today against Drua, one of which you weren't really expecting. How does it feel like for you and the players?
Well, firstly, fair play to Drua. They came at us hard early and we couldn't handle it. We just got off our game early in the first half, which gave them 14 points or 12 points at one stage, which put us on the back foot. So it was a good start that we got. But the boys rallied, they got back into the game and worked ourselves into positions to score tries ourselves. The story of the game, I think, I think we're 11 times down in the try line and we only converted 3 times. So that conversion in terms of the pressure that we had didn't quite come through the response that we needed to. And fair play to Drua, it was a good big push.
It was a difficult game in the first half, and in the second half it took you your team 35 minutes to score the first try in your first point in the second half. Do you feel that there was something that was contributing factor to you?
Yeah, well that's the fact that we didn't convert. We had a lot of pressure on Drua in their 22 in that period. And as you say, it took us a long time to get the points that we needed there. We were a score, convert, try plus out from the game. We thought that if we could convert earlier in that area, or that period, sorry, that we could put more pressure on and get the points. It's a difficult place to play. Every team that's come with part one hasn't been able to do the job. We just weren't good enough today, and Drua fair play to play well.
Justin, do you think that the winner was one of the challenges as well?
Yeah, it was a challenge. We are used to the heat, Brisbane and things like that, so we are much more, but it's obviously something that took us a bit longer to adapt to today. It just made a bit of spillage around probably our breakdown where we were presenting the ball and then in contact we were lost at a couple of times there through tackles and or for offloads. Look, I thought the Drua handled it really nicely. They played up tempo, when we tried to bring that up a little bit, it did quite well, but as Leslie said, we just couldn't close our opportunities, especially in that A zone, through line out and
what do you think about the Drua forwards?
They were excellent. They put a lot of pressure on us around that set piece, particularly that line out. Didn't give us the platform we wanted to give our backs. And as forwards, we're going to have to look at that and just regroup. And then around the breakdown, I thought they fronted up really nicely. They were constantly putting pressure on, and any little sniff they got, they normally took that opportunity, which just stifled us in that, particularly in that A zone as well.
These guys Suliasi Yeah, it was good game, I'm sure. The boys are rather enemies of teammates, but good man will make sure that we're up tonight. Despite that, I don't think we had enough pressure on enough time to be able to do the deal with 40 men. We didn't convert pretty good moments. I went through the line out or the breaking on just not getting as well done. That's us doing that side of it, but I think you can play a little bit of kudos to the people that put us under pressure now. We didn't quite Falls next week, so today's loss, market, so 2 weeks to go. Yes, we'll have to let this one sink in, just address it properly. We had high hopes about coming here. I think if you look at the pressure we had, we should have probably put another try at least on earlier in the second half. So we'll have a look at that and see if we could have taken it. But we won't follow it for too long. We know that we've got some new travels home and we just got to set the sights on the course. And they did us earlier in the year. So last year to do a job home now. But we have to address some things at this stage.
No, look, they were both pretty fair offences. I thought there wasn't much debate that could have had. They were probably both, I thought they were good fingers. It was probably the discipline around it that cost us more, to get them through before half time, and then obviously the discipline around our breakdown, but then towards that end of the game as well, trying to ice it. And, we let them steal or getting penalties, which ultimately we didn't get the bonus because of that. As well as giving ourselves a chance to actually win the game towards the end. So, I thought they were pretty fair.
Coach, this season, could you please speak to the contribution of the Fijian boys in your squad and what they've contributed to the rest of the season?
Yeah, well, they're great. Mean a lot to us. I think it's pretty supreme, the way the boys relate to them, the friendships they have there, they're important parts of what we do. They work hard over here, and they really enjoyed the way that they've been able to engage this game style reward here. So they've gone great and have Siri and Kenny, and so it's been very amazing and pleasure to be able to coach great players.
A lot of them will be probably wearing the white and black jump off Fiji legs this season. I'm sure you wish you all the best.
Yeah, I think he did well. He's been playing exceptionally well. And so I hope that we get to see him do it again for sure. He's played a lot more minutes in games for us. He's a bit of each game. So, he can play if he wants now. So he usually do. But we do use him smart. He's very dangerous player to handle. He's fun and strong as well. So, I hope he gets the reward that he deserves.
Despite today's result, you'll be happy to come back. You'll be happy to come back.
Sorry, Mike.
You'll be happy to come back to Fiji.
Come back here. Love to come back. Yeah. In all honesty, we can't complain. We were and I won't take anything away